guys, Thuli the mompreneur here, and welcome back to another video. So this is just my weekend reset routine, guys, and mine just doesn't happen on a Sunday. I combine Saturday and Sunday so that I don't give myself pressure. So I start out by cleaning out my kitchen, my favorite room in my house, because this is where I spend most of my time. So I just make sure I wipe everything down, wipe the counters down, and make it all look all clean and all that stuff. So that's just what I'm doing over here, making sure everywhere is clean. I also wipe down my bottles that have my condiments and my oils, and I just make sure everything is totally clean. I also take time out to wipe my plugs, and yeah, because a lot of oil splashes onto there as well when I'm cooking, so I wipe it down and make sure it's clean. After I'm done wiping down the counters, I place everything back where it was. Once the kitchen is all done, as you guys can see, I move on to the next rooms, which is the lounge and the dining room. I don't do this every week, but on this particular weekend, I needed to wash my pillow covers. So I'm just taking them off from the cushions and going to hand wash them. And as you can see, my little helper is busy. I then go on to wash my carpet. This is a very light carpet, that's why I can wash it in the house. So I just made sure I scrubbed it up and then took it outside to rinse it and hang it. I then make sure I clean, I sweep, and I prefer using this Muchairo because it removes most of the dirt, and then I mop the house and make it look clean. I do the same thing in my dining room. So I wanted to show you what my sofas look like. Can you see all these marks? All these marks, they are all over. So these are all caused by Miss T and her little fingers, and she just steps with her shoes on top here. And so I have to clean this up 2 or 3 times a week, guys. And yeah, some of the dry stuff is just mango hands. Yeah, when she eats a mango and she holds the sofa, that's what you get. So I'll clean this this evening so that while we are sleeping, the sofas will be drying up. I tell you, this entryway stresses me out. I really don't know what to do with it. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section down below. So I just put some flowers, and yeah, that's it. It's still Saturday evening, so this is the time I get to also iron my laundry because I don't want pressure on Sunday. So I just iron hubby's clothes because those are the ones I mostly iron. The girls' clothes, I just fold and pack them. So I'm just ironing his trousers, and his khaki trousers, I don't put them mpono, guys. I don't know what it's called in English, but I do not put mpono on khaki trousers or on jeans. I only do that on his formal trousers. So I took time out to iron the clothes. And it's a Sunday. So I'm just putting back the cushion covers. They are already dry. And I love these shaggy cushion covers. I really, really love them. And you can use them both sides. You can use the shaggy side or the smooth velvet side. So this is just what I'm showing you guys over here. And I love that you can turn them over and still use them as well. So I'm going to stop talking because everything else is self-explanatory, and I hope you guys enjoy the music. Listen to the music and I'll talk to you guys in a little while because you know I love to talk to you guys. Sorry for the echo, guys. So this is just what it is. It's a tight bathroom. It's a bit tight, but it works for them. The tub, the toilet, the sink. And I just wanted to show you guys, I'm having an outbreak of ants. Can you guys see? And on the floor. But I am definitely going to sort that out. So let me clean this bathroom and then I will show you guys what I use for this ant infestation. I will keep saying this. I love this product more than the Handy Andy. I love this Boom multi-purpose cleaner because it just works amazingly more than the Handy Andy. And I'll keep saying it. Try it out and let me know what you think about this product. So I just need to clean up the bathroom, make sure the bathroom is clean. I'm not going to show you guys while I clean the toilet because we all know how to clean a toilet. I think most of us do, and even if you don't, you can always check out some videos on YouTube. But I'm not going to show you that because I think it's disgusting. So yeah, I'm just going to make sure I clean the bathroom and I hope you enjoy it. Because my bathroom is really small, I enjoy doing the traditional way of things. I like using my bucket and my cloth and just go on my knees and make sure I clean that bathroom and it's clean because the girls sometimes do make a mess in there. So I prefer doing it the traditional way, guys. Look how clean those tiles are. I can get into the little nooks and crannies of the tiles and make sure it's clean. This is the product I was talking. So I wanted to plug you guys on this product. It's called Vision Insect Killer, and guys, for ants, I've been using this thing for years and it works amazingly. It works amazing. So it's in a plastic, and it's a white powder, and it's written, that is what it's written. And I buy this from Pick and Pay, by the section where they sell the sprays, or you can just look for it in Pick and Pay. And this is just what it looks like. So what I do is I just open a bit. Definitely wash your hands after doing this, guys, because you know poison is poison at the end of the day. And I just use this in my bathroom because I know Miss T doesn't really touch this. So let me show you guys what I do. So you see that spot from here to here. I just go right round and I just spread it out. So this is what it ends up looking like. And I also go and put some on the floor because this corner is where I see quite a lot of ants. And I swear by this product, guys. I swear by it. It is amazing when it comes to ants. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section what your Sunday reset routine is, and share this video with your friends and family. I really appreciate you for watching my video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.